I've found a brand new method that I can't wait to share with you. This innovative tactic is for you if you're the kind of person who earns money online while continuously watching movies. What kind of profit can you expect from this? Let's just assume that sharing links will allow you to make roughly $40,000 each month. Check out my gains from using this approach if you believe that's implausible. I've just been doing it for a few days and I've always been able to get this much money. Think about the potential revenue from a month of using this novel approach. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn money by just sharing links. Let's now get going. I like that even if you have no prior experience with internet employment, you can still apply. You can make a lot of money with this beginner-friendly method I'm about to demonstrate. Therefore, simply visit kickbooster.me to access their homepage, which appears as shown below. Hover over Users and then click here to access affiliates. It will bring you to this page where you can read more about using this website's affiliate program. You can get incentives for sharing their projects that you like right now on this website. By scrolling down below, you can use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects, which you can then share on your blog, social media, email, or anywhere else you like and watch the commissions pour in. If you continue reading, you'll see that there are just 4 stages involved in becoming an affiliate marketer for this website, which I'll walk you through so that you can profit greatly from it as well. You must first register for a free account, which takes less than 2 minutes, in order to make money with this website. As previously stated, they have a large number of initiatives that you can promote and earn money from. You can browse their marketplace for great projects to share and then spread the word. You can generate a unique affiliate link and share it with your network with the click of a button. You can share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social networking platform. You can sit back and relax while your commissions arrive. Signing up for a Kickbooster affiliate account is the first step. You can join up to be an affiliate marketer by simply scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking the purple Sign Me Up button. To create your affiliate account, fill out the form there with your details, making sure to check the I'm not a robot box, then click the Submit button. Since this account is brand new, there are currently no earnings, but as you watch the movie, you'll see that as soon as you register an account, $0 quickly turns into $100, $500, and $1,000, and so on. The amount of revenue you have made so far via affiliate links is then visible. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. The following step is to identify initiatives to support. Simply select Marketplace to bring up Kickbooster's market to accomplish this. As you go down this page, you will see some of the Kickbooster projects, and on the left side, you may select the category you want to view. Simply click on any of these categories to see the available projects. I'll show you which category to choose from in order to earn the most money, and participation is absolutely free. You won't have to invest any of your hard-earned money. The Kickbooster marketplace is brimming with things to promote: beauty and personal care products, design education, everyday fashion, food, games, health, home goods, outdoor sporting goods, technology, and travel are examples of these. In the drop-down menu that says Sort By, I want you to choose Commission High to Low, so that you can see the products that give you a lot of money. Here are the categories that I've created. These 3 categories have products that you can promote and will pay you a lot of money. Click on these 3 categories, and Kickbooster will show you the products under the 3 categories mentioned at the beginning of the video. Right now, we need to select a product. You may select any product you like, but for this video, I've selected this one, because it has a high commission rate and will take you to the product page when you click on it. In any case, all you need to do is share your affiliate link with others and wait for others to click it before you get paid. Amazingly, you only need 3 to 4 people to start promoting this item. You don't even need many people to click on your affiliate link in order to earn money. Simply click the button below to copy and share this unique affiliate link with others. Now that I've picked the option to examine the campaign, I can learn more about the initiative. Don't worry about sharing your link because I'll show you a number of traffic sources where you may share it. And I know a lot of people are on these websites because I use them myself. The first high traffic website I mentioned is Quora.com, which I'm sure you've heard of. Simply search for new technology on Quora to locate individuals discussing it. These people will be interested if you share the Kickbooster product with them. Just answer any of these posts by telling them about the product you found on Kickbooster. The second website is Facebook, which I know many of you have and that you can use to promote your affiliate link. What you need to do on Facebook is search for technology enthusiasts and then join any of these groups. You can then interact with the members and share their products on Kickbooster using your affiliate link. You can do this over and over again because Kickbooster has so many products. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.